hello people what you want to talk about. Like, comment on my video if you want to be in my video. And just like tell me, and then like I can message you and ask you about how we're gonna do it. Like if you have Skype, then message me about it because I have to do it for Skype. Anyway, if you're not, oh god, if you're not gonna do that, then just like comment on my video what you want me to talk about. Yep. Because I'm so enthusiastic right now. And I'm wonderful right now. So happy and energetic and stuff, you know. I don't even know, like, what am I doing with my life? Like, comment on my videos. I'll write it.